I've seen enough. I'm calling it right now. Bitcoin to $200,000 in 2026. And this one useless, totally useless meme coin is going to do 100x in 2026. Watch this video. Okay, so to frame this entire discussion, we need to look at one chart. It is the gold chart. Gold is a $31.5 trillion asset, nearly 7 times larger than Nvidia. Nvidia is the largest company in the world. It's 7 times larger. Now, if you look at the chart, it's gone parabolic, which is why we have smart people like this guy saying that 200K Bitcoin is possible. And I agree. If we go back to my list though, it's number 2. It says Bitcoin always catches up, always. It will catch up with gold, silver, and stocks. Throughout the history of Bitcoin, it has always caught up with gold, with stocks, with all of these other assets. It might lag a little bit, it might front run a little bit, but it always catches up. So that's my number 1 thesis. Number 2 is right here, is that the biggest idiots on this app are bearish. It's not just that they're bearish, it's that these people are cocky. They're like hysterically happy that Bitcoin is supposedly going to zero right now. When you see that type of attitude in the market, it means that the opposite is true. I also think that Trump is going to pump the markets in general. If you look at his tweet that I talked about yesterday, he literally is straight up saying that I will not stop until markets get pumped even more. I also think that he's going to do something crazy and unexpected for crypto in 2026. 99% of Trump's family net worth is in crypto, and I really believe that he will do something crazy in 2026 to pump it up even more. On top of that, you have the Fed printing and lowering rates far more than what is currently priced in. AI is a super deflationary force that's going to bring down inflation. The job market is going to be screwed, again, because of AI, which is a perfect situation for Trump's puppet Fed chair to lower rates negative ahead of midterm. This means money printer go burr, and this means that crypto goes up. We also have stimulus checks going out ahead of midterm. We also have tariffs probably getting ruled unconstitutional by the United States government, by the United States Supreme Court, which means that we won't have any of that tariff FUD messing with our crypto bag. We also have OG whales who will probably FOMO back in because they sold because of a 4-year cycle. But what happens when there is no 4-year cycle? They'll probably buy back in, right? And on top of that, I really think the only reason we're even trading at these prices in the first place is because of 1010, which is that event where Binance liquidated everyone. I think once that damage control has been done, we will go back up to the appropriate prices. Now, with all that being said, that's just getting Bitcoin to 200K. We're not going to buy Bitcoin. We don't need a 2x. We need a 100x. So what are we buying? We are buying a coin called Useless. This bad boy is at $60 million market cap, and I really do think this thing could go to $1 billion, which would be a 20x change. It could probably go even higher. Honestly, this is the narrative right now. I just tweeted this yesterday. I said FCZ, F Binance. Still can't believe 1010 happened to this useless industry as a whole, and it got 153,000 views. That is the narrative. No one can believe how useless crypto is right now compared to stocks, compared to gold, compared to all these things. So wouldn't it be good if there was some way to invest in that narrative that crypto underperforming stocks and gold really makes crypto seem useless? Be nice if there was a way to invest.